Alright, what's up everybody? Alright, we're gonna play some more Silent Hill 2. Shoot, I'm actually kind of tired. I stayed up until like 3 a.m. Woke up at like 5:30. Made some coffee. Sat on the couch for a little bit. And then now I'm just like, yeah, I'm gonna do a video. Right. So I guess I've only had a couple hours of sleep. I feel alright. I have to detail a car today on the interior. It's gonna be fun. I gotta go pick that car up here in a little bit. Yeah. Well, after I get done playing my game for probably 30 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna go get that vehicle. Wait, where am I? Did it? Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. I came through here, all of that fell, and then now I'm trapped in here. So, all right, let's go. This is the that bird door. I'm gonna say it kind of looks like a dove or a pigeon, whichever. Can I go in here? Hell no. All right, dude, this place looks neat. Oh gosh, I'm like nervous. Okay, I don't know why. The hell is this? It's like these little dudes up here kind of look like they're hanging in front of a crowd. I don't know. And shit. Here, let me move. I'm gonna move that for a second. Okay. There's one stick figure, 3 and 2. I don't. Yeah, this is gonna be. It's gonna be a fun puzzle. Read. What's that say? 436 people at the rest. Cool. All right. Whatever. What's this? What's that say? Burning Man? Even though that's a building burning. Whatever. I keep hearing somebody like scream on the game a little bit. Like a little screech. Okay. What's in here? I don't see anything. Whoa, 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 whoa. I hear it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I can hear its footsteps. Okay, well, anything in here? Ooh, there's a weight right there. Do you guys see it? Right there. Okay. So I need to get into that, like, padded looking room or whatever that is. Okay, that's definitely not a padded. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. I wonder if this room, like, closes in on itself. Ooh, can I open it? Can I open it? Can I open it? Yay. Okay. Anything over here? Nope. There's a toilet. I wonder why it lets me go in areas and there's nothing to loot. Whoa, 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 whoa. I hear it, I hear it. Where is it? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna still go in here though, if it lets me. Yeah, yeah. Alright, got anything in here? No. Anything over here? Hey, that's a wall I can break. Sweet. Alright, what's in here? Ooh, a ladder. The hell? Oh, look, there it is. Alright, I'm gonna go up this way real quick, see where it goes. Wait, where the hell am I? Oh shit! It leads back to like the normal floor I'm always on. Sweet. Okay, so this is my way out of that place. After the other way collapsed on me. Alright, cool. Can I go through this door? Probably not. Oh, are you kidding me? Alright, let's go back in here because there's a pair of legs somewhere. Or whatever that was. Did you guys see it? I'm gonna shoot it. Or not. Where'd it go? Okay, it had to have gone in here. Ah, you fuck you. Oh my god, I missed 2 shots with a shotgun. I have honestly, no, I have perfect aim. I was trying not to hit them. That's why I missed both times. Cause yeah, I wasn't trying to shoot them. Yep. Oh my gosh. Fucking terrible aim. Monster right there, and I couldn't even shoot it. This is great. Can I go in here? Yay! Okay. I see some health. Gimme, gimme. Anything in here? Anything else? No. Oh. Oh, wait. Is that my rifle? Oh my god, that's why I missed. It was my rifle. I wasted rifle ammo. Got you. Haha. Tag you. Oh look, there's another one right there. Nope. Alright, I need to hurry up and get through this, because I don't know. Alright, I already got that shit over there, that over there. Let's go ahead and... Oh wait, shotgun's already reloaded. How much pistol ammo do I got? Yeah, I got a bit, I guess. Something just made a deep growling kind of sound. It like spoke. What the fuck? Like it... I don't know if you guys could hear that or not, but... It did it again. Did you hear it? Probably have to turn the volume all the way up. Alright, I guess I'll climb through here. Fuck. I don't wanna. Alright, what do we got going on in here? Ooh, ammo. I need that. Little desk lamp. Due to recent acts of inmate violence, prisoner D239 has been transferred to solitary confinement cell F6. Like I want to go to F6. Oh wait, has a big question mark on it. Dude, my character pulled his gun out. Like, I heard a little scream again. And then he pulled his gun out. Alright. Creepy. What do I do here? Can I just open this? Oh, I guess so. What's these? Click. Oh, okay. Those probably like unlock those doors to the cell or something. Oh wait, was I already in this room? Oh yeah, I was. Because right when I came in here, I ran to this door and I was like, oh, I can't go in there. Okay, so we need to go over this way, I think. I really don't remember. It's so dark in here, it's hard to tell to where I'm going. Okay, oh yeah, this is the door I needed to open. Okay. Thank you. We got it. Oh gosh. Oh, what the fuck? I'm sorry, I couldn't let them take you, and now you're... Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I don't want to leave this room, guys. No. Oh, fuck. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see that shit? I'm fucking nervous now. Like, no. Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh, I got the weight. I guess I need to get the hell out of here and go back to the scale. Oh man. Whatever was moving that whole room. Yeah. Where's the cell at that I broke the wall in? Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Alright. Climbing back up. Wait, did I get everything down there? I'll probably have to climb back down and look. Scales. The gallows? Alright, let's go back to the scales. I don't know why I need this one, because I've already gone into all the other rooms, you know? Oh, that doesn't do anything. Okay, where am I at? I think I'm gonna go down this hallway and save real quick. Do. Yay, I feel kinda safe again. Alright. Yes, overranked. Okay. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Wait. When? Okay, I guess I'm gonna go back this way. Yep, go all the way down. I thought I was able to turn this power on up here. What the hell? It's so dark. Oh wait, I'm in the other world right now, because this does look not as good as it did. Okay, whatever. Okay, turn my ass around. Go this way. Go through here. Wait a minute. The game kind of shook. Like, my character shook a little bit. It was weird. And we're outside now. What the shit? This was not like this earlier. Okay. I don't know. Alright. Well, we got one more scale. I mean, one more weight. Oh, now I probably need to make it go in the middle. Oh. Wait a minute. Doesn't need to go over very much. Okay, we'll put this one here. And this one over here. Nope, I was wrong. Okay, we'll put this one over here. And we'll put a medium. Nope, idiot. Alright, take away that one. And maybe this one. And we'll put the large one on. Still nothing. Alright, alright. Put that one. The large one over there. And we'll put this one over here. And a small one. Yes! Okay, okay. Executioner lever? Dude! Do I get to execute somebody? That'll be fun. Oh gosh. What is this? Pull ye but once on ropes. Frayed end. Oh wait, I'm sure if I do this I can read it. Pull ye but once on ropes, frayed end. Choose the one justified from among the damned. Seek out their tails. Think upon each sin, or let blind fate choose. Let the judgment begin. Alright, well, let's, wait. What is this? Let's see. 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, and 3. Huh. Alright, well, whatever. Let's get that lever in there. Use it. Oh, okay, okay. What we got? Oh my god, that's a lot of reading. What is this? For your grace I do not plead, for the flames I did set free. Sisters shrieked and children cried, no one made it out alive. Alright. And then, well, we got all these ones down here on the bottom. So, and then it, you know, it kind of looks like the bottom of these are ripped. So I assume I'm going to have to match these ones down here to these ones up here. So that shouldn't be too hard. What's this one? The wealth of others I did take, the seventh statue I did break, and yet my deeds I don't regret. I had my reasons, that is that. What are these? What were those reasons, you might ask? Okay, so that one, we're gonna... Wait. No. For those reasons, you might ask, the truth allow me to unmask. Okay, so this one says something about reason, and then that one had reason in it, so I'm gonna put that one there. What about this one? Children cried, no one made it out alive. What's this one say? You were so kind to me, filled my heart with joy and glee. In the end, it was for naught. Why, oh why, you ask, why not? Okay. Let's see. In truth, he was less man than beast, and on my flesh and soul he'd feast. My will to live he'd try to break. There is so much a man can take. Oh, damn, that is funny. I don't know why. It's like, use your imagination. Okay, what's this one? I departed with great haste, leaving not a single trace. Ever faithful to my creed, all is right, which feeds my greed. Sounds like a spending problem. Alright. Okay, your grace I do not plead, for the flames I did not set free. Sisters shrieked and children cried, no one made it out alive. And then this one says, I departed with great haste, leaving not a single trace. Ever faithful to my creed, all is right, which feeds my greed. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put. I really think I'm gonna put that one up here. Because like this one says no one made it out alive, and then it says I departed with great haste. So I don't know. I'm gonna put that one there. This is kind of cool. It's almost like matching like poetry shit together. It's awesome. Once the sun has ceased its reign, I cut through the rusty chain, pushed the door and snuck within, filled my pockets to the brim. Okay, that one talks. That one is no. That one is greed. Okay, so whatever. I was wrong on that one. And I guess it would probably help if I actually read all of them first before. Mommy dearest, mommy sweet, your love for me was so deep. Why, oh, why you shouted out when my knife pierced through your heart? Though the young one's death I mourn, their tormentors are no more. On young souls the nuns did prey, took their innocence away. I waited long, I bid my time, I waited to commit my crime. The man appeared, he saw me not, a bloody end is what he got. Damn. Sounds like a period. Okay, what's this one? You were so kind to me, filled my heart with joy and glee. In the end, it was for naught. Why, oh, why, you ask? Why not? I don't know. I still got 4 more of these to put up here. Through the young one's death I mourn, their tormentors. You know, I'm gonna put that one there because it talks about death, and then in this one right here, it says a nice knife pierced through the heart. So I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, what's this one? My only daughter, joy of days. Well, wait, let's see. Mommy dearest, mommy sweet, your love so deep. Okay, I didn't actually read that one yet. That was my first time reading that one, so that one definitely goes here. Because, okay, so this part. Mommy dearest, mommy sweet, your love for me was so deep. Why, oh, why you shouted out when my knife pierced through your heart. My only daughter, joy of days, they wanted to take you away. Hush, little baby, and be still. If I can't have you, no one will. Oh, yeah, no, I think that one goes there. I think. I don't know. Okay. I'm having so much fun on this. Okay. I waited long, I bid my time, I waited to commit my crime. The man appeared, he saw me not, a bloody end is what he got. Let's see, what's this one? In truth, he was less man than beast, and in my flesh and soul he feast. I don't know. Okay. I took the child, you are quite right, carried her off into the night. She did not scream, she did not bawl. I was her father after all. What's this one? Through the young one's death I mourn. Okay, this one. I don't know, man. I just don't. Alright. oh so kind to me, filled my heart with joy and glee. In the end it was for naught. Why, oh why, you ask, why not? I just kind of put that one somewhere. Alright, let's read it. For your grace I do not plead, for the flames I did set free. Sisters shrieked and children cried, no one made it out alive. You were oh so kind to me, filled my heart with joy and glee. In the end it was for naught. Why, oh why, you ask, why not? I don't know if that one actually goes there. And this one, I don't know. Let's see. I waited long, I bid my time, I waited to commit my crime. The man appeared, he saw me not, a bloody end is what he got. In truth he was less man than beast, and on my flesh and soul he'd feast. My will to live he'd try to break, there is so much a man can take. I'm gonna leave that one there, I guess. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna put this one right here. Alright, let's see. I took the child, you are quite right, carried her off into the night. She did not scream, she did not bawl, I was her father after all. Though the young one's death I mourn. No, see, that doesn't make sense. Took their innocence away. So, no, that one does not go there. And I don't know. These are definitely not correct. Alright, let's see. I waited long, I bid my time, I waited to commit my crime. The man appeared, he saw me not, a bloody end is all he got. Through the young one's death I mourn, their tormentors are no more. On young souls the nuns did prey, took their innocence away. I think I'm just gonna leave him as is. I don't know if something's supposed to happen or what. What do I do now? Oh shit, look. There's nooses hanging down now. Those weren't here earlier. Oh shit. What do I do? I don't know. Maybe I pick whichever one of these sounds better, because you know we got all the numbers on the sides and shit. So I keep thinking maybe this one. I don't know. Mommy dearest, mommy sweet, your love for me was so deep. Why oh why you shouted out when my knife pierced through your heart. My only daughter, joy of days, they wanted to take you away. Hush, little baby, and still. Be still. If I can't have you, no one will. Dude, I think that one sounds the best out of all of them, like going together. So, I'm gonna pick 5. Let's see what happens. Alright, wish me luck. Here we go. Oh shit. Oh shit. I just fell through like a trapdoor. Oh, I'm fucked. Oh my gosh. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, 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 no. There's so many fucking monsters down here. Holy shit. Whew, that got my heart racing. Alright. God, that was awesome. Okay. And how did what? Like, I fell through and into here, but I don't see the spot. Okay, where the hell am I? Oh, I don't have a map for down here. I see a ladder. Okay. Oh, okay, I probably go through there, I assume. Sweet. So I guess I can climb back up? I don't know. I don't know where the hell I'm at. Alright, alright. Oh, what the shit? Okay, so that clearly was the wrong door. So... so I guess I just keep clicking on ones I haven't clicked on. Earlier I saw that one picture. I saw that picture that, wait, did we make a thing of it? No, it showed the picture of like somebody hanging, and it was like, it showed 1, 3, and then 2. So what if I have to do those in that order, maybe? So I'm gonna go with 1, because of that picture. Alright, let's see what happens. Maybe it's not based on the poetry stuff lining up, or whatever. I have no clue. Gosh, I don't want to go back down there if it... And I probably went back down there. Damn it. I don't want to die. Whoa, wait a minute. I am somewhere else completely. Oh, and I don't have a map, so... Oh my gosh. Dude. I don't like a long hallway full of doors. Okay. Can't go in there. Can't go in there. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Can I go in here? Nope. Can I go in here? Nope. Yeah, that's what I said. Alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is this? Ew, there's bodies everywhere. You know, I can go for a nap. These look like a cozy sleeping pod. Somebody made a fucking noise. Who? Who? Oh my gosh. Hey look, there's his toes. I'm gonna tickle him. You think he'll wake up? Nibble on these ones. Num num num. Oh gosh. I think I need to get some sleep. Oh. You know, I think 1 was the correct way, maybe. Or I'm gonna jump down this to my death. If it was me, I would push this thing off down into there just for fun. Oh, I don't want to jump down there. Okay, I'm already at like 30 minutes. I was gonna only play for like 30 minutes. Jump, damn it. Do it. Do it, pussy. I hope you break your legs. Oh my gosh, I gotta jump again? Dude, we're only going deeper? It's like deeper into the abyss I go. No more light will show. Oh. Alright, here we go. Jumping down deeper. Come on, do it. I'm gonna get a drink. I made some coffee, and it's bomb as hell. Ooh, I don't know, man. That looks like an elevator, and there's ammo in there, but that kind of just looks like a trap. Oh, okay, I'm gonna grab it. Fuck off. I knew it. Ah, dang it. I wanted to check that other door to see if it would open. So, hey, let's put ammo in here, trick these people. Okay. Where we going? We got our guns loaded. Got your rifle loaded. I got literally 5 shots on that. 17 shots on this. Okay. Next save point, though, I'm gonna get off here. Yep. Actually, I think the game... Oh, there's a save point right there. Okay. Oh gosh. I don't want to. No. Is there a monster down here? No. Oh, you guys, you didn't take the trash out? What the hell? Newspapers, fire extinguisher. Alright. Let's save. Let's get the hell off of here. Yeah. No, that was actually pretty fun. But that monster I heard earlier, I don't know, man. It sounded crazy scary. Looks like I'm in somewhat of a normal looking place. I don't like it. Okay. Nah, I'm not gonna play anymore right now. I hear some crazy sounds that I don't like. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. That was pretty fun. My camera's being really laggy. Shit. The words are probably gonna be off in this video, I bet. I hope not. Alright, see you guys later.